Hi there. Let's say you want to compare two files, two text files in an apple-to-apple comparison to make sure or to identify the differences between them. To do that, you need a program called Notepad++. So to get started, I'm going here to my browser, which is Google Chrome, and I just typed Notepad++ in the Google search, and I went to the first website, downloads here, Notepad++, and I'm going to click on Notepad++ 8.12 release, and I'm going to download the 32-bit version. Even though I have a 64-bit operating system, I'm still going to do the 32-bit version just because I saw this type of version works better than the 64. So I'm going to click on the download. As you can see, the installer has been downloaded in here. It's going to give it a sec. Yeah, it's finished. I'm going to open it up. I have already an admin account, so I'm able to install it. So make sure you have an admin access to your laptop. I'm going to press OK here for English. Click Next. Click I agree. It's a freeware anyway. Leave the path as is. Make sure the plugin admin is being selected. If it's unselected, please select it. It's very important for us to use the plugin admin, because it will allow us to install the compare plugin. Then I'm going to click next and click install. Shouldn't take long. Yeah, the program has been installed. Finish. It will run the interface for us to show it to us. I'm going to maximize it in here. I'm going to close this log file. I'm not interested about it. For example, in here, this is how the interface will look like. So I'm going to close the program, and I'm going to just go to the Google Chrome, and I'm going to search for the compare plugin for Notepad++. And you will see here the first link from sourceforge.net. I'm going to open that. Then I'm going to click download. Here's also a freeware for a compare plugin. It's a freeware, so we can just download it from this website. Once it's been downloaded, download it as a zip file. I'm going to close this link. I don't need it anymore. I'm going to close this other link as well. Go to my file explorer, go to the download folder, and just I have to extract this. I have 7-zip. You could use the extract all if you don't have 7-zip. But 7-zip is a freeware, you could use it too. I'm going to click extract to compare plugin just to have to extract it to a regular folder. As you can see, all I'm interested in is in the DLL file for the compare plugin. I'm going to close it right now. I'm going to, for example, just go and edit this text file. I'm just going to go right click with the mouse. I'm going to click edit with Notepad++. And before I launch or load the other file, I'm going to first import the plugin I downloaded. So I'm going to go to settings. Then I'm going to go to import, then import plugin. I'm going to go to my download folder where I extracted the zip file to the regular folder. Double click it, double click the DLL file. And once I close the file, and if I do want to relaunch it right now, again, right click with edit Notepad++. I'm going to go to the plugins tab. Then I'm going to, the compare, as you can see, is being here. In case you don't see it, just go to the plugins admin here, which is the plugin admins for all the plugins, and just type compare in here in the search and click next. For me, I already have it, so it's not showing it in here. But if it's basically needs to be installed, you just have to basically click on the compare and then just click this install in here. In here, I already have it. As you can see here, the installed. I can even show you. I can remove it. And I click yes, it will just relaunch the app. And if I go to the plugins, the compare is no longer there. If I go to the plugin admin and then just go and search for compare, click this time, see, as you can see, it highlighted, it found it. I'm going to click on the compare and I'm going to click install, and I'm going to click yes to relaunch. It downloads, then relaunch it. And in here, if I go to the plugin, I would find the compare. So it's good to go. I'm going to just minimize this, and I'm going to also go to my other text file in here and edit it with Notepad++. As you can see, I have both files in here. Now, just to walk you through the files, the first text file has some names, and the second text file has some names as well, but it has some numbers and characters as well, a little different than the first file. I'm going to click on the text 2, which is a tab in here, right click with the mouse, and I'm going to go move to the other view. This way I can see it as an apple-to-apple comparison. In here, I can run my plugin to go and search my entire text file and point out to me what are the differences between both files. Yes. So I'm going to go to the plugins, go to the compare function or compare plugin. I'm going to leave the setting as is. I'm going to just click compare. And as you can see in here, now I don't need the navigation bar. I'm going to close it. As you can see here, it identified that, hey, in row number 2, row number 3, you've got 2 columns in text file that are different or doesn't even exist in text number 1. So, and also it's telling me that in row number 8, I'm missing a complete row. I have jellyfish in here and I have nothing in there. So in here, it's a very nice interface that just tells us the differences between both files. And in case we need to delete things, from any of those files, with these kind of cursors or pointers, it will be very easy for us to remove so that we can unify both files if we need to. Now, there's other things you could do with, like if you go to edit, there's a lot of different functions you can do in here. For instance, there is a function under end of life under blank operations. You can also remove spaces, like remove unnecessary blank end of life spaces. It does that right now in here for me because I have the file different in here. I'm gonna click undo. But as you can see, there's other features that you can explore. So feel free to play with it. It's a freeware, very nice program. In fact, you can also embed your programming language in here too. And you can also change between different encodings if you need to, or you can even convert. Let's say you have a text file that's like ANSI, you can convert it to UTF-8, which is the standards in different texting and raw data. So yeah, it's a very nice program, very nice interface, very simple to learn. Tons of instructions online if you want to just read about it, freeware. Hope you like this video, guys. If you do, kindly give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comment section. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so. Until the next video, I wish you a great day. Thank you very much for watching.